Hello and welcome to my Learn to Love More course. My name's Philip and I'll be showing you how learning to love more can help you to succeed more in every part of your life. The course is actually the answer to questions I was asking myself back in the 1970s when I was running my own hotel business. I wanted to know how I could make more good decisions without having to learn through bitter and costly experience. It took me quite a few years to even begin to find the answer, and a lot more years to refine the answer into a single concept: love. If you're in business, you'll know that relationships are a key part of your business. That's relationships with your workforce and with your customers. And the better your relationships, the more successful your business can be. I'm going to show you how you can improve your relationships by opening your heart more and expressing yourself more through your heart. I'll also talk about how you can improve the power of your relationships so that you're all moving together towards your mutual goals of satisfactory outcomes. Right from the very start of the course, you'll be getting techniques for enabling you to open your heart more and to express yourself more in that way. So, come with me now and learn more about the power of love and quickly see how learning to love more can bring some very good things into your life.